Okay, so we're here at NGV. NGV stands for Night Goggles Visualized, or Night Vision Goggles. No, I'm just kidding. It's the National Gallery of Victoria. So, what's in here? There you go. So it's a museum, actually, and it's right beside the art center. There, behind it, the one with the giant antenna spire is actually an art center. So it's a theater. So all those dancing and singing, they're all held in there, while all the arts, all the pictures, the paintings, the galleries are all in here. Come on, let's walk inside, man. Go further, man. So we'll see how big it is. There, okay. My little pocket rocket is starting to get shrunk. Okay, so that's the National Arts Center. See that one? If you see the giant antenna, you're at the right place. So all the theater shows, the dancing and singing and whatnot, they're all in there. Okay.